Moneymaker Bandit with the new VIP Express Money Train. First class seating. Step this way, gentlemen. JP in the first class VIP seating with the donation. Claude in the VIP first class seating on the Money Train Express. Next stop is Moneyville. Choo 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 choo. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Make a donation. Ride the VIP Express Money Train with JP and Claude. Moneymaker Bandit, the #1 ranked, 100% free sports capper in the world. No credit cards needed. No $100 weekend deals. Package deals. No $30 a day package deals. 100% free. And you can play the fade or no fade Moneymaker Bandit game and ride the new VIP Express Money Train. Next stop, Moneyville. Choo 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 choo. College basketball, Penn State versus Purdue. Bandit playing Purdue, first half money line. Will you fade or no fade? Moneymaker Bandit. Like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Make a donation. Ride the VIP Express Money Train. First class seating and meet JP and Claude. Moneymaker out. Choo choo.